Quietly commanding the road, the Audi A8 redefines executive luxury through relentless engineering, timeless design, and groundbreaking aluminum architecture. For decades, it chose subtle sophistication over flashy excess, proving that true authority whispers rather than shouts on the global autobahn. It all began with a bold gamble in the mid-90s, when Audi introduced a revolutionary space frame that changed automotive manufacturing forever. By shedding hundreds of pounds of steel, the lightweight aluminum body unlocked unprecedented agility, superior fuel efficiency, and remarkable structural rigidity. The original D2 generation established a new benchmark for flagship sedans, combining understated elegance with robust, effortless high-speed performance. Beneath the sculpted hood lay a formidable lineup of engines, culminating in the silky smooth power of legendary V8 and W12 configurations. Paired with legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, this heavy cruiser gained the supernatural ability to devour snow-covered passes and slick mountain curves with absolute confidence. Aerodynamic efficiency was never an afterthought. Every curve, roofline, and underbody panel was meticulously shaped to slice cleanly through rushing air. Inside, passengers entered a sanctuary of handcrafted wood veneers, supple leather upholstery, and meticulous attention to acoustic isolation. Every tactile surface was designed to soothe the senses, creating an oasis of calm amidst the chaotic rush of the modern metropolis. Elevating the auditory experience, machined aluminum acoustic lenses rise silently from the dashboard, deploying advanced audio technology that fills the expansive cabin with breathtaking, pristine immersive concert hall acoustics. Cabin technology took a giant leap forward with the debut of the multimedia interface, consolidating complex controls into an intuitive digital command center. For the ultimate connoisseur, Audi dropped an engineering masterpiece under the hood. A compact W12 engine delivering effortless, locomotive-like thrust. On the open German Autobahn, the D3 felt utterly unstoppable, maintaining triple-digit cruising speeds with the tranquil composure of a high-speed train. Adaptive air suspension constantly adjusted to the road surface, effortlessly erasing bumps and delivering a magical floating sensation over every imperfection. Audi pioneered modern automotive illumination, turning headlights from simple functional tools into striking pieces of avant-garde sculptural art. Customizing the atmosphere, adjustable contour and ambient lighting options bathe the interior in personalized hues, transforming the nocturnal cabin into a tailored, glowing sanctuary of modern luxury. Every digital interaction offered satisfying acoustic and physical feedback, blending smartphone-like intuition with uncompromising luxury car build quality. At night, OLED taillights transformed into mesmerizing light signatures, communicating with surrounding traffic through synchronized welcoming animations. Advanced predictive active suspension could independently raise or lower each wheel using electric actuators, anticipating road hazards before the tires even touch them. Rear seat passengers enjoyed first-class airline luxury, complete with foot massagers, reclining executive seats, and dedicated entertainment tablets. Double-pane acoustic glass and active noise cancellation filtered out the turbulence of the outside world, creating a vault-like silence inside. The mechanical brilliance of Quattro continued to evolve, dynamically vectoring torque to individual wheels for unmatched cornering precision. A fortress of active and passive safety features worked invisibly in the background, guarding occupants with radar, lasers, and ultra-high-strength steel. While robots built the aluminum shell, human artisans spent hours hand-polishing wood, stitching leather, and testing acoustic seals to perfection. Whether passing slow-moving traffic on a two-lane country road or cruising effortlessly at terminal velocity, power delivery remained relentlessly smooth. Over 3 decades, the Audi A8 proved that true luxury didn't need to shout to be heard across the corporate boardrooms of the world. Embodying the very essence of Vorsprung durch Technik, it continually pushed the boundaries of what a flagship luxury sedan could achieve. From the pioneering aluminum D2 to the digitally connected D5, the A8 remains a masterclass in progressive engineering and understated executive elegance. It stands not merely as a mode of transportation, but as a rolling sanctuary of technology, performance, and timeless automotive artistry. Discover the engineering marvel of the Audi A8. Subscribe to explore more automotive legends, and share your thoughts in the comments below.